Happy Vlogmas Day.
Merry Christmas!
It's time I do some very important work.
Hi, here's your official welcome to Vlogmas. Yeah, what else is new? Hi. Someone has an improv show, and all she's done today is wake up for about half an hour, and then I took a nap for another hour after sleeping for about 9 hours. I slept so much, dude. I still was up at like 8:30. Like, I get up early. I woke up at like 6. Was up till 6:30. Went back to sleep. Anyways, you don't care. Sitting around all day and playing video games, drinking coffee is kind of what Christmas is all about. Welcome to Vlogmas, folks. So, hello. Yeah, we have to go to an improv show and I don't know what to wear. I saw this shirt in my closet. I haven't worn it in a long time. And I was like, oh, is it a little more Thanksgiving? Is it a little more November than December? Sure, but that's okay. I don't know what shirt to wear underneath it, is basically what we're doing right now. I also don't know if I want to have like, the problem with improv is like I want to look hot, but I also want to like be able to move. You know what I mean? This is all I do. I just get on stage. I just do this a lot. I can't tell what this looks like. Okay, we have to go look. I feel like I'm not gonna want to wear this actually. Hi, welcome to Vlogmas. Subscribe.
Is there a light? Yes, there is.
Are we gonna need to redo our eyebrows? Sure.
But actually, okay, yeah. It's like almost cool. But this is like cutting in weird. I'm wearing like very tall.
These might need to come off.
This is like cutting weird, yeah. Regret.
Oh, this is wrong too. I mean, it's right because look at this. Amazing. Beautiful. Love it. Live it. Be it. I like this coat. It's just now all of this is wrong. But if I take the coat off, I'm okay with this. Ugh. We don't have time for this. It's now 4:33. We have room for one more outfit change, folks. Oh my god. Okay, folks, when in doubt, keep it simple. So, we're down to our final rounds. The debate is, do we do the, this is like a brown, kind of sheer shirt that I can do over top. I can either tuck in, maybe leave open, or actually, I'm gonna let you see this because I think it's a very cool shirt, maybe for another day. But again, I don't know. With improv, it just makes me nervous that I just want to have availability. So I think what we're gonna do is very nicely put away our clothes so we don't come home to a mess. Using our time wisely. Don't let me forget, and by you I mean me, because what are you gonna do? But if I do for any reason forget, just comment, but I'll try to remember today. Bruh, if you are a tall person and you wear bodysuits or anything that snaps, do you know they make crotch extenders? Yeah, because I Googled it and I found it and it's amazing. I'll link one. I found one on Etsy. Amazing. Changed my whole world. No longer just have a constant, just like uncomfortable situation. My vagine is in the best shape of its life. Just telling you. Duh. I just don't feel like messing around with this anymore. So I feel like it's like, oh, she takes it off. She's so attractive, you know? But if she keeps it on, she's so chill and cool. Because this is my Animaniacs jacket. I got it in a store in LA. I can't, but Bodega, I think? I don't remember. I got it somewhere. But, yes, here we are. I need to maybe bring a brush because my hair is... Soon we'll have a day of Vlogmas with good hair, but I think I'm gonna pick out some jewelry, try and make him a person. Yeah, we need to leave in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna stop saying nothing to you. Oh, but actually first,
I did my nails. Yeah, are you impressed? We got a little thunderbolt, just a solid. This is kind of like the CDG heart. Yeah, I stole that. I tried for a little checkered, a little swirly swirl, and then I did a yin and a yang, some fleurs, solid, another checker, and just some dots. This one got a little rough on the edges, don't look at it, but yeah, I got party nails going.
I need to focus on my life. I need to find my rings. I think we'll do this is my Sagittarius necklace. It is Sagittarius. Birthday's on its way. Also, if you're like, Lauren, Vlogmas Day 3, isn't your birthday December 3rd? Yes. Yes, it is. But I'm in Mexico right now, so I had to pre-plan a couple of the Vlogmases. Don't worry about it. You're getting content, okay? Chill. But thank you for remembering my birthday. I'm probably saying this to absolutely no one, but that's fine. I need to yell at Ira to hurry up because we're gonna go to some dinner at Grassa. So I'm getting a child's plate of noodles and a big old salad. That's the move, personally. I think so anyways. And then after that, we're gonna go get a drink and then do the improv. So I'm performing with my team for the first half, and then there's like a secret aardvark, which is just like a big group of like a lot of Portland improv people that come. So you're paired with people you like never were before, or maybe like once or twice you don't really know super well. So that's always interesting, but we'll try and get some clips because also this vlog was just me playing video games. So like I better get some clips, you know. Guess it's a flat tire.
Oh, wow.
Not Iris! Yay!
I was wondering if you told them yet.
Bruh, I just...
The sadness in your voice when you called was really sad. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I was just like, great. Perfect. What a time to be alive. Which it is. It could be, we could not be alive, so.
That is true. I'm surprised the Tesla doesn't have like a self-inflating tire that like magically inflates.
Well, that's what, cause like I was hoping it was like something like Ira was like, well, do you think it's just like low in pressure?
Like low
and I
air
was
pressure,
like,
yeah.
But it's weird that it wouldn't tell me like, hey, it's getting low if it wasn't from something unnatural. And like, I don't have a spare tire, cause like, do you have a spare tire?
I do.
She's an adult.
Most cars do.
Not.
Really? The Tesla does not? Are you sure? Underneath it?
Yeah, I don't think.
Wow, what a major flaw.
Yeah, it's.
You should call it Elon.
So just tweet him, you know.
Yeah.
It does so well.
No, that bitch owns Twitter. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just like cool. I've never had a flat tire, and it's one of those.
Really?
I'm just now like I was sitting there in our lobby, just like the bridge I said I would cross one day is in front of me. I'm like, this is just like an area of being an adult that I don't care to figure out, and I don't want to be involved in, and I don't want to spend the money on.
For sure. I 1000% agree. It's never fun.
It's stupid.
Right?
I'll just go that way, yeah. I'm just like, why have cars? Like literally I get a flat tire and I'm like, sell the whole thing. I don't want it. Like, just get rid of it.
Get rid of it.
Like,
throw it out.
I don't want this anymore. So I'm just gonna stop thinking about it because we have to be funny in an hour and 15 minutes.
It'll be fun.
Ira was like, when are you gonna get a grass on? I was like, a knife.
A knife.
Then he just
Kim, what do you need? A knife. Oh no, a gun.
Yeah.
One time in a really bad winter Iowa, I got 3 flat tires in the span of 2 weeks.
Life
and I changed
worse.
them myself, Mom.
Good, because you're about to be changing mine for a low fee of $20.
But for some grasa, I'll do it. Okay. I got you, baby.
We'll buy you some grasa.
No, yeah, it's super easy peasy, but it's still not fun.
We can do it. Women in power. Ira's gonna Google. Iris is gonna change the tire. I'm gonna cry. Perfect. I ordered a salad for myself, and they had the audacity to bring 3 plates. Now everybody's eating my salad.
Keep the trauma going for the camera.
Keep the
trauma going for the grandma, the camera.
Lucia, are you enjoying Italy?
Wait, see? I was like, wait.
Maybe she'll get it.
Okay, take it from the top. I'm ready this time.
Lucia, are you enjoying Italy?
See.
Did anyone else have any music?
When I was a child, I was a very generous and beautiful child is what I'm trying to get at. And so anytime like my older siblings would like go on a trip, I'd like bake all of them and their friends' cookies in my adult oven.
Oh.
And they would just call me Grandma Lauren even though I was 8. And that's why I am the person I am.
Okay, I've bookmarked a few of the pages in the catalog. Just flip through. Those are kind of the things I want for Christmas. Yeah, so I got it's JCPenney.
Okay.
First, I didn't even know JCPenney's made catalog still.
I complained. Next time.
Is this because I made a comment about your jeans being mom jeans earlier today?
It added to it.
I was saying it as a compliment. I love that you're a mom to our kids. You do such a good job. And those bangs don't look bad at all.
No, I love being 26 and always being called ma'am.
Should I leave that out of the next foreplay we do?
I've been actually meaning to bring that up. I know I told you that whole Grandma Lauren story once, but I really didn't want you to keep bringing it up every time we went to have sexual intercourse.
I appreciate that. I'll give you to Jeffrey.
Thank you.
Hello, this is me, Jeffrey, the 8,000-year-old giraffe.
No way.
It's the holidays, it's very busy at the JCPenney.
I think we got disconnected. This might be out of line. You sound like you're going through a lot, while also providing exceptional customer service. Would you want to get a drink sometime?
Honest to God, like that would be amazing. Like, I don't think I've ever had anything better happen in my life. Like, I don't know if you're aware by the tone of my voice, because like every pick up on a lot from now, but like I have 3 children and a useless husband who just makes lentil soup all day.
Oh, hello. I hope you're ready for the majority of this vlog to be me in my bathroom, talking to myself as I progressively get less and less stereotypically attractive. Hi. Hello. I don't know how much of said show will actually have made it into this vlog, because every time I perform, I black out the entirety of it. I have no idea what I've said. I have no idea who I am. I don't know if anybody laughed. I don't know what I look like. I don't know what I sound like. And honestly, I don't care. Ooh. Ah! It's been a great evening. It's just a great day at whole. Actually, I'm just kind of stressed right now. To tell this long story short, there are too many people that need too much from me at this moment. And so anything small or big added on is just the straw that has broken the camel's back. And I am the goddamn camel. Actually, when you're watching this, as I've mentioned, I will literally be on vacation. So before you leave a nice, generous comment, thank you so much for the thought. I appreciate it. But just know, I'm in Mexico laying on a beach. Yeah. There's just like a lot of things happening, but I'm trying to let them go because I can't do anything about it right now. And also I've already screamed and vented about it to everybody around me, so it's fine. It's out of my system. It's perfectly fine. There's just a lot of things going on, and my flat tire is the straw. It's the straw. But I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and we're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be fine because I'm very grateful to have supportive people in my life that are going to help me figure it out. And that is the reminder that ultimately I am not alone on this rock that circulates in the universe. Hi. But yeah, on a different note, I don't know, I'm gonna watch the footage back and be the actual judge, but I think our show went well. I know people laughed at least, so that was good, but it's really hard to tell because I'm not kidding you. Every time I've ever done stand-up, anytime I've ever done, anytime I've done anything on stage, I'm blacking out. I actually have a stand-up routine that is about that, and one of the jokes is I am literally blacking out right now as I speak to you. I will walk off the stage with no memory of how I got here, and it goes on. It's a whole bit. Anyways, yeah, it's a reality that I live in. So, I don't know, I hate watching footage of myself, like acting, comedy, like anything. Even like voiceovers, I hate it. Like vlogs, I hate it. Like I don't like knowing, because like I think in my head, I'm like a beautiful, perfect creature.
And then I open up footage and I'm like, what? Like, I looked like that the whole time. Like, it just like, it breaks the delusion that I live in, and I don't like that. I'm gonna go wash my face because it's currently breaking out in a way that I don't appreciate. But what I'm gonna do is we're all gonna look together in the mirror or into the viewfinder or directly into my eyeballs right now and say, hey, I have perfect skin. I have a perfect body. I am the hottest person that has ever lived, and I'm also the funniest person that has ever walked this earth. Now say it with me. Perfect. Whatever your rendition of was great. So yeah, it's okay. The world keeps turning, my dudes. If you're having a stressful day, I'm very sorry. I believe in you. That's what I'm saying, dude. Time just passes and it's all gonna be fine. It's just, you gotta kind of live in it. But I was recently talking to one of my friends because she has something very traumatic happen to her. Again, I'm not laughing because it's funny. I'm laughing because I'm broken. She had a very traumatic thing happen to her. And she was like, yeah, it's just like a lot of people basically keep saying like all this advice of like, you just gotta get outside. You just gotta like keep living and like, I don't know, all this stuff. And I was like, look, sometimes you just like need to feel your feelings. And I'm not gonna speak for her and what she said, but what I was getting at, and I think she agreed because we are both the way we are, is it's just like, dude, look, at the end of the day, there's always an ebb and a flow. There's always a yin and a yang. Look at my nail. Facts. Like, there's always gonna be like a give and a take. You know what I mean? Like, I could go on like this forever. Look at waves. They go in, they go out. The world is full of it. And so, however you want to justify that, I don't really care. I'm talking to myself alone in the bathroom right now. I don't give a shit. But I do just feel like it's the same thing when it comes to your emotions. It's like, we can't have great, happy, fun times without horrible, awful, terrible times, because you wouldn't appreciate them as much one without the other. And it's like life, like nothing is forever. Nothing is permanent, and sometimes that's a sucky feeling, it's bittersweet, but sometimes it's great, because right now, do I feel good? No, but I also am like, whatever, I'm just gonna go to sleep with a freshly washed face. I'm gonna know that I had a good show. I have supportive, wonderful people in my life. Do I feel great? No, but I'm just gonna live with like, I don't know, this is not the right way of phrasing it, but I'm just like, sometimes I just feel like we don't have to attach reasons to our emotions. It's like, just feel what you're feeling. Learn how to, like, in a healthy way, give yourself time for that, deal with it, and then move on knowing that it will end. That's what I mean. Nothing is permanent. When you feel crappy, it will stop. It will get better. Like, it's just going to. So maybe I am a toxic optimist. I'm open to that. But this is how I function. So I'm just going to tell myself, it's fine. In 5 years, am I even gonna care about this flat tire? No, because it's not even a real problem. The only thing I'm gonna remember from it is, wow, I had a good laughing time, I learned a new skill, and that's what matters. Or it'll have killed me and it won't even matter. Either way, I win, my dude. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna end this vlog. But I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm just gonna have a little tea. I'm gonna watch some Dead to Me. I'm gonna pass out. It's gonna be a great time. So I hope that you go watch Dead to Me. It's on Netflix. Fantastic. It's the final season. I'm sad because I love Christina Applegate, and I think the reason why they only had 3 seasons is because she has MS, and it's just a horrible thing. So I hope she's doing well is what I'm saying. Christina Applegate, love you. Hope you're doing well. Go watch that. Also, go take a chill pill in whatever form that is for you. May it be tea. May it be what else is chill. NyQuil? No. Oh, she's just so funny, you know, she's just in improv mode. Anyways, I can't stand listening to myself. So basically, you're all very welcome for the fact that I edited this vlog at all. Yeah. Tomorrow will be so fun. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas. Thank you.